Welcome to the perfect green world, where the sun's brilliance blankets the globe. Humanity no longer relies on traditional fossil fuels. Unceasing streams of green energy flow into homes, powering all endlessly, ceaselessly, not just enhancing lives with efficiency and ease, but making our environment even more inviting. In this world, each life shines splendidly. If you think this future is distant, discover what we're doing in the unnoticed corners. Every building generates green energy, meeting life's needs, while also crafting greener hydrogen energy. A visible future takes shape. Every day, over 60,000 LONGi employees and more than 40 manufacturing bases around the world are working passionately for this dream. By crafting a globally competitive R&D framework, we pioneer technological innovations in the industry, drive continuous reduction in levelized cost of photovoltaic energy, and maintain the top position in global monocrystalline silicon wafer and module shipments. Technology transforms into reality through trusted products, bringing the future closer and lighting up more lives. With the high-efficient HPBC cell technology, we introduce the HIMO X6 series products tailored for distributed users worldwide, balancing beauty, efficiency, reliability, and intelligence. Explorer, more reliable power with more efficient modules. Scientist, ultra-high performance with ultra-low degradation. Guardian, prefabricated smart optimizers for intelligent power generation and safer use. Artist, dazzling glass process, blends harmoniously with a variety of scenes. Bring more choices for diverse scenarios such as commercial and industrial use. Revolutionizing green energy experiences. LONGi persists in customer-driven value creation and is committed to the robust and reliable long-term operation of products throughout their entire life cycle. Supported by a digital software platform, our manufacturing and management uphold reliability and economy. For a one-stop digital PV system solution, empowering lasting rooftop performances, delivering long-term value, and constantly promoting the transformation of all scenario energy, creating new platforms, radiating the value of sunlight, integrating PV into every home and business, infusing structures and spaces, and empowering everyone with consistent, effortless access. As more embrace sunlight's touch, the earth turns greener. This is the green world LONGi envisions. For over 20 years, LONGi stands strong, growing enterprise value. In an ever-changing world, with steady risk management and sound finances, bringing lasting value to customers. Creating a greener world, our journey never ends. LONGi, bringing the future sunlight into reality.